Raspberry Catering from Cwmbran is an innovative catering company set up over 3 years ago by Julie Nelson. Having started the business at her home, converting the utility and garage into workspaces, they've recently moved into a specially adapted unit.
I wanted to produce food that was homemade and handmade really from scratch, but using local produce. The ethos of the business is that we make everything and we use as much local produce as possible. We cater for anything really to do with food. Lots of business events, corporate lunches, training, meetings, that type of thing. We also do private catering for weddings. We also have a tea room in a lovely old building called Cwmbran Manor. We make everything for that tea room, which we take daily as well. My background is nothing to do with food whatsoever. It was probably a dream I wanted as a child or when I was a teenager to be a cookery teacher, but careers advice at the time turned me off it, and I ended up going into the civil service. Then after having the children, I worked in quite a few different offices and ended up an estate agency office manager. And unfortunately I got made redundant in 2008. I ended up working in a bank and I really didn't like it. So I got made redundant from there and decided I wanted to do something different with my life. As I was home and off work, I was cooking and baking a lot, which I'd always done, always loved cooking. My husband asked me if I could do a buffet for where he worked for a training course. And really, it grew from there. When we first started at home, it was just myself. My dad used to come in and help me sometimes, and then a friend used to come in and help me. And then as we got busier and we decided to have a website and invested into a bit of marketing and a vehicle, I employed that friend. She is still with me. She is actually the manager of the tea room.
The company now has 8 members of staff with a commitment to supporting each staff member in their training needs. Julie herself has completed level 2, 3 and 4 in food safety, whilst the staff have completed a variety of training and qualifications, developing their skills and confidence along the way.
Jessica came to me from Cwmbran training. She came on work experience. She then did a foundation apprenticeship in catering and hospitality. She's done her level 2 catering and hospitality, and she's now still with me and about to embark on her level 3 professional cookery.
When I started, we were still at the house. We hadn't moved to the unit yet, so I was more like a trainee. I'd shadow somebody, I'd have somebody next to me show me what to do, and now I'm confident to get on with what I'm doing and to show other people what to do. Like we've had new trainees up here and they've been more under my guidance.
I heard about a scheme called Job Growth Wales. I advertised for an admin assistant and Sarah came along. She went on to do, they called it an apprenticeship, but it was NVQs in business administration. We also put her through SAGE training and she's still with us. Tracy's at the age that she says she's too old for training. However, after much persuasion, she did her level 3 in food safety and got a distinction. She worried to death about it, but she got a distinction and I was really pleased for her. She's got the skills. I just wanted to prove to her that she could obtain that piece of paper. With that, she is now going to do her NVQ3 in professional cookery.
For Julie, encouraging and supporting her staff so that they gain qualifications is key, both in ensuring that the company's standards continue to improve, as well as ensuring that her staff have the necessary practical skills and a sense of pride in their own work and in the company.
It's good for the business because it's that formal qualifications are recognised standard, and I feel very proud that I can say that all the key staff have got level 3 in food safety. It's something that we put on our website because I think it's important for people to know. It gives people a sense of purpose. We're a small business, and I think they're aware that financially, if I'm investing in them, that they know it's not an easy thing for me to find money for training, and I feel they feel valued for that.